Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Sorry I haven't been around for a while. It has been a long time since the last time I posted, and I just want to say a massive thank you to all of those of you that have stuck around, that have not unsubscribed, and you continue to support my channel. I really appreciate that. It's massively humbling to see the support. It's still there even though I haven't posted for many months, and once again I am very sorry for that. Obviously I don't really want to go into too much detail as to why I've been away. All I will say is that I have been dealing with some personal issues, and basically it just got to a point where I was not in a good place, and therefore I just didn't feel I don't know, I would just say I just didn't feel that I just didn't feel that I could continue at that time. Like I say, I just wasn't in a good place at all, and I just sort of needed some time. Obviously, I'm doing a lot better. I'm working through sort of the things, the issues. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I have missed you guys. I've really missed posting. I've really missed, doing, producing videos and stuff like that. So I am looking to come back in the very near future. I'm going to be changing my days of posting though. I will be posting probably on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, with the possibility of doing some more live streams. The idea I've got is that I would probably just live stream like a particular site or game that we're using, and then obviously any of you guys that want to drop by, ask questions about the game, or you just simply want to chat about crypto or catch up, tell me what you've been up to, tell me if there's any new programs you've discovered that are working well for you, anything like that. Just sort of like a bit of an informal thing. Obviously, like I say, I will be playing a particular game, so I might be playing crypto mining game, I might be using Rollercoin, I might be doing some other using a different site. But obviously, like I say, yes, I will be using those sites in the live stream. But if you want to just pop in for a chit chat, or just ask a question about a different site that we are using, like if I might be streaming crypto mining game, but if you want to come in and ask a question about Rollercoin, that's completely fine. But in the past when I've done live streams, I've always said that how much I really enjoyed them, and I would like to do more. So this is what I might be doing, is just basically once a week, just like an informal live stream. I'll probably be online for anything up to maybe 4 or 5 hours, just sort of catching up with you guys. Like I say, streaming whatever it is I'm streaming, and then yeah, if you guys want to drop by, it would be absolutely brilliant. And that's really all I wanted to say. The main thing was just to say sorry that I haven't been around, and also to talk about and let you know sort of what's been going on, and again just to say a massive thank you for those of you that have stuck with me, supported my channel, and have not unsubscribed and just sort of hung out. I want to say a big shout out to those people that have been on the Discord. There's been many people. I have dropped in now and again just to see what you guys have been up to, and I see people posting, and you guys helping each other out, and answering each other's questions and trying to keep the Discord alive. And again, massive thanks to all those people, and I very much appreciate it. So anyway, like I say, I will start off posting and streaming again in the very near future. It will be really great to catch up with you guys and hear your thoughts on things. Obviously, even though I've not been streaming or creating videos, I have continued to work on the programs we use. So, obviously I can show you what my progress has been since my last video of that particular platform. And it'd be great to hear how you guys are getting on. I always love to read your posts and your comments. So, I really look forward to all that again starting up very soon. So anyway, I'm going to leave that there. Once again, massive thank you to everybody for the support. Take care, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.